In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix your game requires a system restart on League of Legends. Let's get started. First, search for services. Once it appears, launch it. Now scroll all the way down until you find a service called VCG. Double click on it to open its settings. Now click on the option Properties. Go to the section General. Now here, select the startup type from manual to automatic. If the service status shows as stopped, click the start button to run it. After that, click apply and then OK to save your changes. Again, right click on it and click on the option restart. Complete the process. Next, right click on your taskbar, then select the option Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, click on the Startups tab. Here look for vctrade.exe and Riot Client services.exe. Make sure both of these are enabled. You can right click on it and select the option of enable. After confirming everything is enabled, close Task Manager and restart your computer to apply all the changes properly. Once your PC boots back up, launch League of Legends again and the error should now be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.